Login failed on Bloomberg Fix. You're ready to check breaking financial news or market data on Bloomberg, but the login screen won't let you in. Login failed. It's annoying, but here's the surprising truth. Most Bloomberg login problems are small technical hiccups you can fix quickly. First, check your credentials. Bloomberg's login is case sensitive, and if you've used both the web and app versions, make sure you're using the same account details. Avoid autofill and type your email and password manually. If your password isn't working, click Forgot Password. Bloomberg will send you a secure reset link. Keep in mind that link expires quickly, usually within an hour, so use it immediately. Next, clear your browser's cache or the app stored data. Old login cookies can cause new sessions to fail. On mobile, you can find this under App Storage in Settings. Then, reopen Bloomberg and try again. If you're on the app, ensure it's updated. Bloomberg's frequent security patches can make older app versions incompatible with current servers. Visit your app store, update the app, and restart your device. Now, let's talk about network issues. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or public Wi-Fi, Bloomberg's lock-in system may block the connection. Disable those and connect via a secure, private network. This is especially important for users accessing from outside the US, as some regions have restricted endpoints. If you use a corporate or institutional Bloomberg terminal, your login might require additional authentication. In that case, verify your credentials through your company's Bloomberg administrator or a department. Finally, sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Bloomberg occasionally performs backend maintenance or experiences temporary outages. Wait a few minutes, then retry. So next time Bloomberg says login failed, don't panic. With the right mix of credential checks, cache clearing, and stable connection, you'll be back to reading the latest market insights and news updates in just minutes.